Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you all how to make an emergency light out of a Royal Enfield air filter. So you need an old air filter, some lights and some of the tools as I mentioned. So LEDs basically work if you connect the positive and the negative correctly. It is not like a filament bulb. If you interchange the terminals it will work. So as you can see, you need to solder them properly, and then you need to take apart a male and female connector from any board or socket you have. So you need to keep and solder this also according to the correct terminals which the male and female fits in. So after that you need to solder and keep these things ready. First the switch which you're going to turn the light on and off. So here again you solder. You can solder here with any colors you want. Then you tape and extend the wires for the battery, and here you need to cut the filter and make it flat on both the edges. The extra part you need to throw it off. So after you're done cutting and trimming the air filter, you need to keep a cardboard ready so you can cover the front and behind side. So you need to cut two circles as I've showed, and after this you need to make a place for the LED circle to fit in. So you need to cut another cutting out. You can take approximate measurement as you can see the center, and then you need to cut a little inside that. Don't cut exactly on that line, cut a little inside. And don't worry about the wiring. If you didn't understand, I'll explain you ahead, so please stick till the end. You don't need to know much in this. I have just used a battery switch and a LED, that's all, and a charging male and female for the battery. So here you need to make place so you can fit the switch. So I used a drill. You can also use a exo blade to cut the metal, and a plier to plug off the extra things. So after you're done doing all this, the only thing left is the connection, so which is very easy. I'll also put a circuit diagram so you all can understand even better. So after you're done with this, you all can keep everything ready like the glue, the female connector, and you need to connect as I show you. See, the positive side of the female, which is indicated as red, will go to the positive side of the battery, and the negative to the negative side. Okay, so don't get confused here. I will show you all a diagram also. So when you connect the female connector, the positive side should go to the positive side of the battery, and the negative to the negative. That is, positive is red and negative is black, or in this case yellow. Then listen carefully. You need to take one positive side of the battery, that is the red, and connect it to the switch. Switch has two terminals. So one side you have connected the positive, so the other terminal you will take and connect it to the positive side of the LED, which is denoted as A, which we have already soldered the wire. So after that you take the negative and directly connect it to the battery, negative terminal of the battery. So now our circuit is complete, and as you can see the light is turning on. So now we need to fit all this in place. So you need a double-sided tape for this, and after fitting all this in place we need to glue this and leave it for some time till it dries off. So if you want you can use Aerolite or M-Seal depending on your choice, which the work will be faster. So I used glue because I had time. So here I am making place for the female connector. So in this we can charge the battery. So the battery I have is a 3-volt battery, and the adapter is 5 volts output. So always make sure, if you are using a battery of 5 to 6 volts, you need to use a adapter which has an output of a little 1 to 2 volts higher than that, because it should move through the potential difference of the battery. So don't go into the science of that. My work is to explain you all in simple terms. So how you'll know which is positive and negative? It's already written on every adapter you have, which side is the positive, negative, how much volts it is. You can pause the video and see. So this is a Lenovo. It is a 20-volt adapter, but we don't need that. So this is a 5-volt adapter of an old Nokia phone. So I have connected it to the male side, the positive and the negative correctly. And now it's time to connect. So first we'll secure and insulate all our joints, the open edges, so we don't want any short circuit taking place. So you can use this for your project, for your waste out of waste in school competitions. So make sure you don't use anything extra, so it should look it's made out of waste. That is why I didn't do any decorative things, I left it as it is. So yeah guys, please like, share and subscribe if you like this. If you want to see more content like this, please like and share it. It will help me a lot. Many of you guys are not subscribing, so come on guys. Please like, share and so that it will help me in my future videos. Bye bye.